It's Mental Health Awareness Week, and we're extremely proud to be supporting Public Health England during the launch of the Every Mind Matters campaign. Every Mind Matters focuses on educating the nation to better understand their own mental health, how to spot symptoms in others, and provide support. Today, we're sharing some apps to help support the campaign. 1 in 4 people suffer with their mental health at some point in their lives. Every Mind Matters shows people the simple steps they can take to be better prepared for life's ups and downs. Let's look at a new tool called Your Mind Plan. Your Mind Plan offers a step-by-step guide to create just that. Your Mind Plan doesn't need any personal info, and you're asked just 5 questions to get started. Once you've answered, the tool suggests some tips to help with your own journey. Not feeling any of the recommendations? Tap Swap Idea to get a new suggestion. Scroll down the page and we see a huge range of invaluable resources. Simply tap Find Out More. Remember to keep it safe for the future too. Select Email My Plan to receive it directly in your inbox. Okay, let's explore some apps. We're going to look at different methods that you could use to support your mental health journey. First up is My Possible Self, a great app for tracking and improving your mood. The app helps you develop coping mechanisms, learn mental health management skills, and live happier on your journey to becoming your best possible self. Let's meet Bloopy. Bloopy is your super cute personal assistant, supporting you every step of the way. After an initial chat, you get access to a ton of resources, including the most comprehensive mood tracker that we've ever come across. Choose your general mood and then fill in the rest of the sections on screen. Once it has enough data, the app will analyse your responses and spot trends to see what puts you in a great mood. Thanks Bloopy. Explore the Modules tab to see what programs are open to you. There's a premium membership which can unlock them all. There's also an SOS feature. If you feel in the need of urgent help, there's always someone to reach out to. Now an app we've had loads of fun with, Cove. Dealing with mental health issues can be very draining, and sometimes it's difficult to find the words to say what we're really feeling. Cove is an innovative way to express yourself through the medium of music. You get to design your very own piece based on how you're feeling and save it to your library for future use. In fact, what you can hear right now was made using Cove. Let's see how it works. Choose a mood by swiping around the screen. Once you're there, you'll see we can layer different sounds over the top, such as bass, melody, and percussion. It's important to explore the app for yourself, as it's such a personal activity, so really get creative. When complete, you're asked to reflect on how it made you feel. If you like it, you can save it for future listening too. Exercise, and just generally keeping active, can be a great line of support for mental health. When we exercise, we release endorphins, which make us feel good. Studies show 30 minutes per day can have long-lasting health benefits, both physically and mentally. If you need a bit of a hand to get started, check out the famous Couch to 5K. By following a program, the app aims to get you to a level where you're able to run for 30 minutes non-stop. No mean feat. In fact, only 3 sessions per week get you to 30 minutes in just 9 weeks. The app also features some famous figures to help keep you motivated. Open the app, choose your PT and set your goals. Follow the rest of the steps and the setup's done. Let's just see what Run 1 has in store. This looks okay, and with Sarah cheering me on, I'm sure time will fly by. Keep track of your progress and even explore extra material in the app too. We've talked about a huge range of topics today, and we've used the NHS 5 Steps to Mental Wellbeing as a source of inspiration. We've put some links in the description for everything we've covered, so be sure to take a look. We really hope that you find these useful. Remember, for more support, there is always someone available to talk to, whether that's a friend, a family member, a group, or a charity. It's okay not to be okay. Until next time, thank you for watching.